don't think it's supposed to look like that.
It's not supposed to sound like that either. Hi everybody. Sue's behind the camera. There she is.
Hi!
We have 3 vent fans in this RV, and I think 2 of them at least were retrofitted to have fans in them, which is nice. So all 3 have big fans in them. And the other day, we opened up the kitchen one.
Sounds like it's off balance.
I think part of it is it's off balance, and it probably has been off balance for a long time. But the other day, we were messing with it, and it just stopped, and then you could turn it on, and it wouldn't spin. And I was like, I hope, it's kind of sounded like the motor's going out.
That's not great.
So I went online and found a replacement part. At least I hope it's the replacement part. I haven't test fitted it. Just got it in.
It's like an unboxing video now. That didn't take long.
So this is, E-Trailer has these. I couldn't really find it anywhere else. Also, while we're here at our friend's house, I made a knife. So if you want to see a video on how that's done, let us know. We'll probably make one anyway just because it's fun. Pretty cool, huh? So this is the replacement.
That's so sparkly and shiny and new looking.
Yeah. It should just be a direct replacement from what I could find. Comes with the motor, the fan, and the little bow tie connector. That's what they call these. I think it was like 50 bucks shipped on E-Trailer. And that's the only one really I could find that would fit that. You can get entire replacement vent things, but they're like $200-300 bucks, so this is definitely the way to go if it fits. Let's go up on the roof and take it apart. This screwdriver and probably a socket set. Okay. Can you pass some things up to me?
Mm-hmm.
Can we take that?
No, go ahead. It's been a long time since I've been up here. Oh, this is a nice view.
Oh yeah, I kind of remember this. I don't have the right size. Can I do it without? Nope. I gotta go get box wrenches. Yeah, this one comes off because I put a new bolt on or a new nut on last time.
That's right, I remember that.
These ones all come off because they're not rusted through. Last time it wouldn't come off because I don't remember why, but it wouldn't come off. I have some penetrating oil I can get as well. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. It's getting cold up here. Supposed to be an fairly easy project, but this is the challenging part apparently. Every project has to have a challenge in it. Is it just spinning and spinning?
Yeah.
Is there anything I can do?
No.
So now you're drilling it out.
Yeah. Hopefully I got...
It's like watching those videos, that guy who restores things and is always drilling.
There we go.
Woo! wasn't even the project. Now!
I was just getting us to the project. Okay. Thank you. See if it fits. Hey, it does. Look at that.
Huzzah! Well, that was fairly easy compared to the actual getting piece off.
I was gonna say, I might have to go down and get some stuff, but I think maybe I can make it work with what I've got. Can you hand me the thing behind you? The wire cutters? Thank you. My thinking was cut that. Cut that. Well, so much for that idea.
Uh-oh.
I think it's been out in the sun a while. This one might still work. Cut these off. Don't usually like these things. Yeah, see, I don't like these things. They don't crimp very well.
That's not good. What would you prefer?
Soldering. There. Okay, and then this one. Shoot, I dropped that other one inside.
Oh, that's right. It's down there somewhere. You need to go get it?
Yeah, maybe. Do you mind?
No.
Or are you just gonna run down and come back up?
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you think I was gonna do?
I don't know. Go down and stay for a little while. Could you grab zip ties too?
Yeah, where are they?
They're in my little pack.
Your little, I don't know, you have so many little packs.
It's in my little pack. Don't you know?
With your insulin and your...
No, it's in the one with wire and stuff. It's that
Down in the...
the canvas bag.
Okay.
It should be out.
Okay, the canvas bag. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Poor baby.
I'm just gonna sit here for a minute.
Okay. Ryan got sick again. So that's been fun.
Please be careful going down the stairs.
I will. I'm gonna put this on a strap and I'm gonna turn it off. I'm not gonna film while I'm going down the stairs because that's kind of dangerous. I've got to find some zip ties. Are zip ties? Ah, zip ties. Okay. Coming back for those. And I gotta find that piece that we dropped. Ha. There we go. Got the piece. I got the piece.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Battery?
Thank you.
Here we come. Zip ties. All right.
We'll just toss them up if you...
Here we go. Let's attempt. Gonna make a mess. Did not work. Here we go. Oh my gosh!
Never mind.
I keep on hitting the awning.
Okay, they made it.
Yay! All right.
Pick those up inside later. Throw my garbage down there. These things This thing isn't an exact replacement because this is a Fantastic Fans or Fantastic Vent, which may have been bought by Dometic because they own like everything in the RV industry now. So this is a Dometic fan replacement, but it was the only one I could find. It was the same size. And I think it actually fits better. This one looks like it was rubbing because the fan is a little bit bigger and was touching the outside of the cowl, the fan cowl. And this one fits and has like a 1/2 inch all the way around, which is great.
Look at the size of the motor versus the old one.
And the motor is like a pancake motor instead of this one. This one's a lot heavier too. So this should be nice. Hopefully this works. So we just gotta, I think I hooked it up right, so we just gotta test it. And then put this thing back on.
Cool.
Do you wanna go down and test it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Hi.
Hi.
Ready for this?
Yep. Does it work? Hey.
Wow. That is so smooth.
Is that the first speed?
Yeah. Wow.
Is it blowing air down?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you turn it off? Are the blades backwards? This one has a switch, right?
Yeah.
The metal switch?
Uh-huh.
Can you flip it all the way the other way and try it again? Nothing?
Nothing.
Try it in the middle position.
Nothing.
Try it all the way. Okay, so it's gonna go that way. It's supposed to vent out.
Oh, that's right. That's weird.
I wonder if it's as simple as me changing from positive to negative, flipping it.
Oh. Yeah, because it actually underneath here on the casing, it has an arrow, one arrow pointing this way and then another arrow pointing that way.
It actually might be that it can take it either direction. That's why they have installed the switch.
Yeah.
I don't know why it doesn't work the other way. What should I do?
Nothing on an RV is ever easy, is it?
No. I don't have my good cutter, so I can't just cut these.
Well, do you need me to get your cutters?
Yeah, the same canvas bag. There's a little tiny pair green-handled cutters.
Uh-huh.
Can you get me
Pinch,
those?
pinch, 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 pinch. Let's see. Aha! Easier.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. You try it again. It's going the opposite way, huh? Yep, it's blowing up.
Yep, it's pulling up.
Okay. I just gotta rewire this real quick.
Okay. Yeah, you figured it out.
Okay, see if that works. Yep, it's blowing out.
Huzzah! You champ.
I just swapped the positive and the negative, and now it's going the opposite direction. So it should be all good. Now I just gotta put this thing back on before it starts raining. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together.
Okay.
Could you lower the lid?
Goodbye.
Plastic cover's on. The fan works. It's quiet. It's smooth. Last thing I gotta do is put this thing back on. But I lost a screw. There it is. And that's it. Another project done. This one was, aside from getting the plastic thing off and that nut that got stuck, this one was pretty easy. And now it won't catch on fire.
Which is always a good thing.
We try to minimize that.
It doesn't always work, but...
We haven't had the best of luck, but... Anyway, another project done.
Good job, babe.